Hungary announced in 2018 an order for 16 H225M Caracal helicopters from Airbus Helicopters. This procurement is part of the Zrinyi 2026 inches modernization program implemented by the Hungarian Armed Forces. The Hungarian Air Force's first H225M went into production at Airbus Helicopters at its Marignane facility in southern France in July 2021. The first helicopters flew for the first time in November 2022. On the 28th of February and the 1st of March this year, Hungarian pilots, together with a test team from Airbus Helicopters, made their final test flights at Marignane. Recently, the first Hungarian H225M was seen at the base in Pápa, Hungary, bearing the country's national emblem and registration number on the tail of the F-ZWDZ helicopter. Over the next 3 to 4 weeks, it will conduct live firing trials of the weapon. The Hungarian Ministry of Defense expects the H225M helicopters to be delivered to the Hungarian Air Force in July this year.